Okay, welcome back. So today I've got a special pistol here. It's a 45 caliber Spanish black powder pistol that my father built years and years ago for my grandfather. My grandfather passed away 2 years ago. My grandmother gave it to me in hopes that I would be able to use it. Well, my grandfather had it sitting on the wall and he never used it for anything. My father shot it to see if it would work. It worked, and then they just put it away. So what I want to do is I'm going to actually restore this, and I'm actually going to test fire it with you guys. So we'll go over that when we get to it, but I'll show you. You can see there's a lot of surface rust on the gun, and the sight, the front sight's not really even put on there properly, and I bet underneath, I don't even think they blued this barrel, let alone did anything with it after they shot it, so I'm sure it's really dirty. We'll get this thing all polished up, cleaned up, and then we'll go from there. So that'll be the Spanish black powder pistol. It's 45 cal, so I'll start getting some stuff for it to shoot it, and then when we're all done, we'll test fire it. So stay tuned for the next video.